guys, so this is like a full yoke muscle video. So pretty much your shoulders, your lats, traps, that's pretty much all I was doing today. And I'm gonna be completely honest, I started recording kind of late. I started recording during the overhead press part of the workout. I didn't record my 5 sets of 20 with shrugs, and I did like 6 or 7 sets of deadlifts. I started off with deadlifts, warmed up, stretched like you always do, like you're supposed to. Always stretch. I'll probably make a stretching video because I do stretch a lot while I'm lifting and running and stuff. It's just good to stretch, you know. So I started off just warm up, bar, kind of stretch out. Then I went up 25, so that's 95 for like 10. And then I went to 115 for 10. And then I did 2 sets of 180, which is all the weight I have in my house. 180 for 10, nice pause top, go down like you would. And then went back down to 165 and then did 2 more sets of 10 and then 1 set of 8. And then 1 more set till failure with 115. And then moved on to barbell. I know I said and then a lot. I might be bad at basketball when it comes to taking out the trash. I shoot that B like Curry off. So it's post-workout meal, just a sandwich. It's like my favorite sandwich ever. If you guys have never had it, which you probably have because it's a pretty basic ass sandwich, I recommend you guys go try it. It's just 2 pieces of bread. It's like, I don't know, just whatever we have in my house that we got at Costco. Some ham from Costco, some mayonnaise, mustard, avocado. And yeah. I was gonna make like a super satisfying sandwich montage where like the bread is like nicely coming out of the toaster, and I was gonna spread the mayonnaise on like an ASMR, and then like not gently place the ham, but no, man. Fuck. I'm so hungry, like just looking at this. I feel like I'm cutting this avocado terribly, and it's like dishonoring my Mexican parents, but okay, yeah, you just put that on there. Honestly, it doesn't even matter. You're gonna eat it all anyway, right? Oh my god, I know I'm terrible at this. Some of you are probably super good at like slicing avocados, but I just don't have a lot of skills. And oh snap, we gotta get all of it. This is gonna become a cooking show. Maybe I'll upload some cooking with Brandon videos. I've already done that actually. What the heck? I didn't even realize. You gotta place it nicely. Most important ingredient of everything here, a little bit of pink salt, just for the aesthetic, because yeah, it adds flavor, but it also adds color. So, and then obviously my favorite of all, pepper. I put a lot of pepper. Okay, put this on this. Slice that up. Should have got like a sharp knife. Not sponsored by Magic Bullet, so we're gonna turn it this way. And after my workout, more like just late at night, I like to have a protein shake. This is just gonna be a strawberry banana protein shake, and I make my shakes with milk because extra calories, extra protein. So yeah, so let's put some strawberries. There's 1 whole banana, 4 strawberries, some ice, a little bit of milk, and then 1 scoop of vanilla. Gold standard way, and then you just blend that up. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I was worked out. This is the meal. About like 57 grams of protein in this. A sandwich is like 600 calories. And yeah, it's probably one of my favorite meals just because it's really quick, it's simple, and it tastes so good. Ham, avocado sandwich, protein shake. And fun fact about me, I love ice cream and like smoothies, not smoothies, but milkshakes. So like honestly, I have a shake like this probably twice a day. I know I shouldn't be, but they just taste so good, and like ice cream, and it's kind of like my substitution, you know what I mean? Because I'm like, honestly, I'm like an alcoholic to sweets, but yeah, shakes like this kind of just they work. This is so good. Like, it doesn't even taste like, it literally tastes like you bought this at Sonic or at Denny's and it's a milkshake. But yeah. And before I get comments, because of what, it's already been like 6 videos now, no leg video. I do train legs. I had a video, I trained legs like the other day, the week before that, I had a leg video that I was going to post. I recorded all the footage and everything, and I edited it to about halfway, and halfway through the editing, I don't know, so I know what happened. Something happened, and I lost like half the footage. Well, I lost all the footage except for what I already had put together. So I have like 5 minutes of the video, but I don't have everything because it's gone. So tomorrow when I train legs, I'll just make that a video. The thing about training legs is when I train legs, I feel like, and we all know that when you train legs, you're just more like into it, and it's just like more difficult and it's harder. So it's like harder for me to focus on recording, especially since I do everything by myself and training, because I want to train hard, you know, I don't want to just record. So yeah, but leg day coming soon. I do train legs, guys. I know my legs are small, but I do train legs, in case people are thinking I don't.
Like I said, I'm trying to be on the map, bro. All these people competing in here got like millions and millions of subscribers and followers on IG and all this stuff, bro. I'm just a black dude from Florida, you feel me? Hold up. Time out.